Do you know what bone all 4 of the rotator cuff muscles originate off of? If you said this bone, which is called the scapula, you are correct. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to point to some different regions of the scapula, and I want you to name the rotator cuff muscle that originates off of that surface. Let's start with this surface here. What rotator cuff muscle originates off of this surface? This region of the scapula is called the suprascapular fossa. The supraspinatus is going to be the muscle that originates off of this surface. What muscle is going to originate off of this portion of the scapula? This is the infraspinus fossa, so the infraspinatus is going to originate off of the vast majority of this surface. What rotator cuff muscle is going to originate off this surface of the scapula, adjacent to the lateral border of the scapula? That is where the teres minor originates from. What is the last rotator cuff muscle that is the only rotator cuff muscle to originate off of the anterior surface of the scapula? This surface is called the subscapular fossa. So the rotator cuff muscle originating off of this surface is the subscapularis.